Okay, good morning, students. Good morning. How are you? Thank you. We had finished almost first unit. We had completed. Yes. Now open page number 8. 8. We are going to see about the vocabulary and grammar part also. Okay. So all of you wear masks and sit properly. Take hand distance. Page number 8 open all of you. Page number 8. So vocabulary. First Roman number 1. See there, what is the heading? Fill in the blanks with the most appropriate words from the box. Remember, the box has some extra words. So here, how many fill in the blanks are there? 5 fill in the blanks are there. But, so how many words are kept in the box? 8 words are kept in the box. So what is our duty? We have to fill in the blanks using those words. Okay. So how should you fill? If you know the meaning, then only you can easily fill the blanks. So that's why we are going to see the meanings of those words. See, what is the first word? Irritation. Irritation means what? Irritation means annoyance. Okay. Irritation means annoyance. Annoyance means anger. Annoyance means anger. So what is the meaning of irritation? Irritation means annoyance. Annoyance means anger. Okay. Right. Next. Huddle. Next word. Huddle. Huddle means held arms and legs together to close because of fear or cold. Again, what is the meaning of huddled? Held arms and legs close because of fear or cold. So that is the meaning of huddled. అంటే చలితో కానీ భయంతో కానీ చేతులు కాళ్ళు ముడుచుకొని కూర్చోవటం. According to the lesson, we should take cold. లెసన్ ప్రకారం లెసన్లో చలికి ఉపయోగించిన సందర్భం, చలిగా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఉపయోగించే సందర్భం హడిల్డ్. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ awkwardly. Awkwardly means uncomfortable. Awkwardly means uncomfortable. Note down it. Awkwardly means uncomfortable. Next, futile. Unsuccessful. Futile means unsuccessful. Next, vacation. Vacation means free time or a holiday. Vacation means free time or a holiday. Next, reluctantly. Reluctantly means very good. Not willing to do something. Not willing to do something. ఏదైనా పని చేయటం ఇష్టం లేకుండా ఉండటం. ఓకే. నాట్ విల్లింగ్ టు డూ సంథింగ్. నెక్స్ట్, exasperatedly. Very annoyed. Exasperatedly means very annoyed. Showing more and more anger. Okay. Irritation means just annoyance. Exasperatedly means very annoyed. చాలా గట్టిగా కోపపడటం. Next, mumbling. Mumbling means speaking unclearly and quietly. Mumbling, speaking unclearly and quietly. So generally, who will speak like mumbling? Who will speak? Old age people. Old age people generally they won't speak clearly and loudly. They won't speak. Only they can speak unclearly and quietly. Quietly means what? Silently. Quietly means silently. ముసలి వాళ్ళు ఎక్కువగా చిన్నగా మాట్లాడతారు, అర్థం అవ్వదు వాళ్ళు ఏం మాట్లాడతారు కదా. That is. So here we have learned meanings. Irritation we know, huddle we know, awkwardly we know, and futile, vacation, reluctantly, exasperatedly, mumbling. 8 words we had. Just we have seen the meaning of those words. Now you have to fill in the blanks. What is the first blank? See there. All my attempts to make him happy proved. All my attempts to make him happy proved. Now what should we write there? Proved. What will come there? Futile. Futile means unsuccessful. All my attempts to make him happy proved unsuccessful. Means అంటే అన్ని విధాలుగా ప్రయత్నం చేసినా కానీ అతన్ని హ్యాపీగా ఉంచలేకపోయారు. అంటే ఏం ప్రూవ్ చేయలేకపోయారు? Unsuccessful. Futile means. So what is the first blank? Futile we have to write there. Futile. Have you written? Are you writing? Fill it. Fill with pencil or pen. Next. It was very cold. It was very cold. So I dashed in a corner. Cold is here given. Okay. Huddle means held arms and legs closed because of. So here we can identify the cold is here. Okay. So here huddled. It was very cold. So I huddled in a corner. Next. Forced by her parents, Sita took the diploma course. So forced by her parents. Her means who here? Sita was forced by her parents. About what? Took the diploma course. Actually, she doesn't like the diploma course, but her parents forced her. You must take diploma course. You must do it. So that's why. How did she take? Willingly or not willingly? See the words. Reluctantly. Reluctantly means not willing to do. So is it suitable here? Yes. Suitable. See there. Forced by her parents, Sita reluctantly took the diploma course. అంటే ఇష్టం లేకపోయినా డిప్లొమా కోర్సు చేసింది అని. ఓకేనా? So reluctantly is the suitable word there. Okay. What is the first blank? Futile. Second blank? Huddle. Third? Reluctantly. Fourth? What are you dash? What are you dash? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Means mumbling. Mumbling means speaking unclearly and writing. So that's why. What are you mumbling there? Means speak loudly. What are you mumbling? Why are you speaking unclearly and silently? Speak loudly. Okay, that is. Next, fifth one. The news that he was denied promotion caused dash to him. Irritation. Yes, the news that he was denied promotion caused dash to him. So there is a news came. One person he heard that news. The news is nothing but he did not get the promotion. He did not get the promotion. That's why. How did he feel? Irritation. The news irritates him. The news irritates him. The news gives him anger. Irritation means annoyance. Annoyance means anger. అంతే కదా. ప్రమోషన్ రాకపోతే ఎలా ఉంటారు? కోపంతో ఉంటారు, బాధపడతారు, చిరాకుగా. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఓకే. Okay, now? So Roman number 1 we had finished. Now come to the Roman number 2. What is the question there? Tick the words that are similarly in meaning to the underlined words. Yes. Similar in meaning to the underlined words. Similar meanings we have to find out here. Similar meanings. Similar means same meaning. Same government means to find the underline చేసిన వాటికి. His mother made a futile attempt to get her. There are four words: barren, limited, useless, empty. What is the answer? Useless. Futile means here useless. Next, second one. It's all tattered now. A is spoiled, old, dirty, torn. Tattered means torn. Okay. Third one. There is a cold mist in the mornings. Ice or snow or fog. What is the answer? Fog is the correct answer. Fog. Next, it's just like a ball of knotted yarn. Ball of knotted. Knotted means here. What is the meaning of knotted? Very small or rounded tightly, or joined or tied. Knotted means what? Tied. Okay. Sacred knots antaru. Sacred knots. Sacred three knots. Sacred knots అంటే ఏంటి? పవిత్రమైన మూడు ముళ్ళు అంటారు కదా. Okay, while the marriage is going on, during that time the bridegroom has tied the sacred knots. అంటే పవిత్రమైన మూడు ముళ్ళు వేస్తారు కదా, that is knotted means here tied. Next, fifth one. I cannot or I can't make both ends meet with my salary. What is the meaning of make both ends meet? So option A is earn a lot of money, or spend a lot of money, or earn just some money, or earn just enough money, or give all that one has. What is the meaning? Earn just enough. Okay, so see there. What is the meaning of first one? Futile, underlined word. Useless. Tattered. Missed. Fog. Knotted. Make both ends meet. Okay, so tomorrow we will learn about the grammar. Okay, about phrase. What is phrase? What is noun phrase? What is noun phrase in opposition? We are going to learn tomorrow. Your duty is listen, all of you. Page number 7. Glossary words are there. You have to complete at home. And the filling the blanks also there. How many? 5 are there. And similar words also there. Roman number 2. So all this you have to finish at your home. Maybe next class I will ask you in the next class. Okay. Page number 7 and 8. Keep in your mind. This is your homework.